With Apple Intelligence, we've now got built-in tools in the Photos app to remove distracting objects or perhaps people from the background of your photos. This will work on any photo you've taken, and all you have to do is tap on the Edit button at the bottom. If you haven't used Cleanup before, it will need to download a few updates to make it work. It only takes a few seconds. And if you have done it before, simply tap on Cleanup on the side, just like this. At this point, it will analyse your photo, and if there's anything it thinks perhaps you might want to remove, it will kind of give it a holographic coloured effect. I can simply tap onto those objects and they'll be gone. But actually in my photo here, I want to remove those 2 park benches from the centre of the image, and it hasn't detected them as being perhaps things that I might want to remove generally. But all I have to do is use my finger and drag a little circle around the object I want to disappear. At this point, Apple Intelligence is going to work out what it thinks should be in the place of that bench, and just like that, it will replace it on the image for me. I can carry this on as much or as little as I want with my image, and if I zoom in, you'll see that it's actually done a really good job of replacing that bench with the grass and the gravel that should be behind it. As well as circling objects, you could also just paint over the bit you want to remove, so perhaps we'll just try and get rid of this bit of paving here, and just like that, it's cleared it up for me. And with Apple Intelligence, it's going to label the photos that you've edited. So if I come out of the editing mode quickly, and then press the inspector for this image, you'll see at the bottom there that it says it's been modified with the cleanup tool. That means that we know this image is not exactly as it was taken, rather we've made a few edits to make it perhaps more visually appealing, which is helpful when it's going to become trickier in the future to tell what's a real image and what's been changed by AI. And as Apple Intelligence rolls out across our devices over the next few months, there are going to be lots of new and exciting features that are available to you on your iPad and your iPhone. Every time something new comes out, you can guarantee there'll be videos on my channel here, so please do subscribe. And while you're waiting, there are hundreds more tips to help you make the most of your iPad. I'll see you next time.